Welcome back to HM Coding Studio. Today we will be starting a new video series on how to develop GUI application in Python using Tkinter library. In this series we will start from the very basic of GUI application development using Tkinter, and we will cover the advanced concept in the Tkinter for developing GUI application. And in the process we will be making some awesome GUI application using Tkinter library. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell notification icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos and projects. But before I start coding, I need to talk about the IDE or the editor. Well, you can use any editor or IDE that you want. You can use the Sublime, VS Code or Anaconda, but we will use the PyCharm, the community version in this project and also in the upcoming projects and video tutorials. So now let's create our first GUI application using the Python Tkinter module or library. In this tutorial we will be creating a simple window using the Tkinter module, and also we will add titles and set the geometry for our window, and also we will add the icon of our main window. To create a simple GUI window, all you need to do is 3 steps. First of all, you need to import the Tkinter module, and after that create an object of the Tk class. After that you need to set the main loop on the object of the Tk class. Now let's start coding. If you haven't created a new project yet, you can create a new project from here, new project. So we have already created a new project with the name of example. And also if you want to create a new Python file, and then go to your project, right click, new, and from here you can create a new Python file and you can give it any name you want. Now that you have created your project and you have created your Python file, let's create our first GUI window using the Tkinter module. First of all, what you need to do is to import your Tkinter module. For that, from Tkinter import all. Now that we have imported our Tkinter module, what we need to do is to make an object of the class Tk. For that, we can call our object root, which is equals to the Tk class. Now that we have created the object, what we need to do is to give the main loop method for our root object, because if we doesn't give this method, the window will only appear for a matter of seconds and it will self-close. Okay, for that, root dot main loop, and let's run our program using the shift F10, and as you can see, our window is displayed. We can resize our window, we can close our window. Now let us give a title to our window. For that, what we need to use is the title method, root dot title, and we give this a title. We say window demo. We give a window demo title to our main window. Now let's run our program using the shift F10. Now as you can see, our main window title is changed to the window demo. And also we can give our main window dimension. We can define the height and width of our main window. For that, we use the geometry method, root dot geometry, and inside this method we give the height and width in pixels. Now let's say our width is 600 and also our height is, let's say, 400. Now let's run our program. As you can see, our main window dimension is changed. And also if you want to change your main window icon, you can simply use the icon bitmap method. The icon method will only take the icon that has an extension of ICO, other photos or icons cannot be used as icon with this method. For that, what we need to do is root dot icon bitmap. Now inside this icon bitmap method, we give our icon name with extension, and also make sure that your icon is in the same path that you have created your project. Now we have a simple icon in our project path with the name icon.ico, and let's run our program. As you can see, our main window icon has changed. That's all for now. In our next video tutorial, we will be creating a button, and also we are going to add click listener on our button, that if we click on a button, it will perform an action.